Good morning, children. Coming to the next concept of amazing animals is movement. Animals move from place to place in search of food, shelter, and also escape from enemies. Different animals use different organs for movement. Usually, majority of animals move their whole body, often supported by specialized organs such as fins, wings, and legs. These are called the locomotory organs, moving the animal from place to place. Coming to the land animals, the land animals are the terrestrial animals mostly move with the help of legs. Most animals have four legs. Two in front are called forelimbs, and two at the back are called hind limbs. Some animals, like dogs, cats, and tigers, move with all four legs, but some other, like human beings, use only their hind limbs or legs to move. Their forelimbs or hands can hold many things and help to do work. Reptiles like lizards, crocodiles, and tortoises crawl on the land with the help of their short legs. The snakes also live on land, but they have no legs. They move with the help of their body scales. Coming to the once again, the terrestrial locomotion. Any of several forms of animal movement such as walking and running, jumping, saltation, and crawling. Walking and running, in which the body is carried well off the surface on which the animal is moving, occur only in arthropod and vertebrates. Next, coming to reptiles, run, crawl, climb, jump, glide, and swim. Exceptional species run on the surface of water or swim through dry sand. This paper is a short summary of current knowledge of these all modes of reptilian motion. In this paper, you can see short summary of current knowledge of, that is, swim, glide, climb, crawl. All these modes of reptilian locomotion can be seen. Next, coming to water animals. Some animals stay on the surface of the water and use their wings to propel them. Other animals move underwater. In fact, they cannot breathe air and they die very quickly if they are out of water. They have special structures called fins, which help them to move through the water. For example, fishes. Then coming to other water animals, like whales, they will have modified forelimbs into flippers. Coming to birds, birds can fly into two different ways, gliding and flapping. If a bird is gliding, it will have its wings in an extended position, just like an aeroplane. The lift it achieves will be dependent upon its forward motion and its airfoil. For this reason, gliding birds always angle their wings downward. Now, some of the insects move. Adult insects typically move about by walking flying or sometimes swimming, or as it allows for rapid and stable movement. Many insects adopt a tripedal gait in which they walk with their legs touching the ground in alternating triangles composed of the front and rear on one side with the middle on the other side. Like this triangle they will make and walk. So usually, once again we'll go for aquatic animals and a reptilian movement. Next, aquatic. Aquatic fins will be fishes. Then for some birds like ducks, otherwise frog when it is in water, use their webbed feet. Web is nothing but a small thin membranous layer in between the toes of hind limbs, which helps to swim the bird, duck, or the frog to move in water, which is used as an oar. Turtles and seal will have flippers, pedal-like limbs. They will be having these pedal-like limbs. The shark pedal-like limbs will push the water back and move forward. That is, the forelimbs are modified into flippers in case of seals and even penguins also. Now, next is in the birds also, we have seen already some of the birds will have strong wings, but some strong limbs are the modified forelimbs only. And lighter body, already we discussed hollow bones, which is filled with air, and three types of feathers. By moving their wings up and down, birds pushes themselves in the air. Birds use their two legs to perch on the branches of trees. They also use their legs to walk or hop on the ground. Some birds like emu, ostrich, and penguin cannot fly because they have heavy bodies and weak wings. So they will walk. Then in insects, usually 6 legs will be there for the movement, like ants, cockroaches, and bugs crawl on their legs. Some insects, like grasshoppers, use their legs in hopping. Some insects, like water boatmen, swim in water with legs. Many insects, like butterfly and firefly, have wings with the help of them. Those wings, they will be flying. Coming to what is mean by migration, the movement of organisms in large numbers from one place to another place is termed as migration. There are many reasons for migration. The term migration is mainly used to define regular and periodic movements of the population away from one particular place or back to their place of origin is called as migration. Every year, some animals and birds move from one place to another to avoid harsh environmental conditions, that is, maybe to search food and to reach their breeding grounds. And this is called as migration. We can say that migration is the seasonal mass movement of animals to a more favorable environment. The bird Arctic tern makes the longest migration, about 40,000 kilometers in every winters, from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic Circle and back to the Arctic Circle at the end of winters. Siberian crane and mallard duck come to India every winters to breed. Fishes like fishes like salmon live in seawater. It travels long distances to reach the freshwater rivers to lay eggs. The young ones travel back to the sea. Some insects like locusts and monarch butterflies also migrate long distances. Monarch butterflies migrate from Canada to Mexico during winters and come back in summer. Thank you, children. I hope you understood what is meant by migration and what are the movements of the animal body, which are the organs they will use. And in this chapter, we have discussed all habitats, food habits, movements, breathing organs, in nature, the body coverings. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.